Welcome back to our channel. We're Tamara and Danny. We're working on renovating a 2011 Mercedes Sprinter. We are at the stage of getting up our wall panels to cover up the insulation. We used 2x8 boards from Home Depot, sanded them down, blasted the sawdust off, and applied 2 coats of scuff-proof paint. Now they are ready to be installed.
So we have put in this windowsill here. It's gonna look a little funky because you can see here this is a different material. This is one pull some of that excess. 1x6 actually is what I believe it was, or actually it was 1x4. And what I did is I just took it and zipped it down with the table saw, so it's the same width as these, by these 2x3s. And yeah, I put it in because no matter what type of material we put in, if it's a little bit thicker, just the way it's so close to this edge, it's so rounded in there, it just didn't fit well. And I don't have the best tools for it, so I just decided to go for a much thinner one. And now we are gluing it on there, and then hopefully we're just done with that chapter. And as if on cue, Tamara's arrived with the first side panel. We're starting from the bottom and going up. And so now I'm going to start screwing them in.
Alright, so we're just starting with the long piece instead. That is what we'll do, is we'll fit the other small little ones in, and then at the bottom we'll have our flooring go to the edge, so might have to put some shims in between, fill in the gaps. So what we did, we just measured 17 inches up. That is our bench height, and we measured 17 inches here, so it would be straight, realistically.
Watch your head.
I'm gonna screw this.
Okay.
And those.
Oh, this is a long one. So we have laid out the notch for the windowsill, and now I'm going to cut it with the jigsaw, and hopefully it works out okay. I think I'm going to get a new blade though, if we have one, because this one's getting a little dull. I know why some of your they slip, is some of these have been used before, and so the thing is like loose, like worn out.
Yeah, we're gonna need a lot of touch-ups. A lot.
Unfortunately, what happens is we use, some of these are brand new, lots of them are ones that we've sucked out multiple times, threw back in because we were having, is this that one that we did way back when?
So a lot of them are old screws.
Well, not all of them. Lots of them are
the ones
new.
That have already been stripped.
Yeah, you can see some of these. So those ones slip and they suck because they've slipped. But lots of them are new, but some of them You'll get ones that we've already screwed
got a
in.
ration though.
Well, what we're doing is, like, we still got lots left.
Yeah.
We bought this way back, like months ago. A pack of 500. We are nearing the end of it. We're using a lot of screws. Which is the right way to do it. Otherwise, if you just hammer everything in or use the nail, like we have a nailer, that can turn your walls into projectiles if you get into a car accident, which we don't aim to do, but...
You just tap the screen. You can see what I'm looking at. A few scuff marks that will have to be wiped off and possibly repaint some of it over again, because some coats are a lot lighter. I think due to our paint roller, we had 2 different types. We are measuring out the notch at the back.
Yeah, just to cut out the hinge.
Okay. It's getting progress. If anything, the boards on the bottom we'll probably never have to remove again, but the ones up top here are the electrical. If we ever need to get at them, we can take those ones off. And then we'll have to figure out where we're gonna put the outlets. We got 2 on this side, so one probably somewhere around here and then maybe down here.
Let's try right there.
Size.
Can you draw out with the pencil? I have it where I want.
This is eliminating
And then just around the back where you can. There's like there's a center plastic part. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
I'm getting jiggy with it.
No. Just stop.
It's so stinking tight in there. I could probably do with making the hole a little bit bigger next time. But we have these, but they're basically just for show because it's so tight in there. They're not overkill. But I did them. Now we're just gonna attach it to our lever nuts, and Bob's your uncle. This outlet's gonna be good to go.
Dance to the jailhouse rock. Don't step on my blue suede shoe. Make sure they're really twisted so no strays come out, but that's hard. I think that's good.
Holy Hannah. Sent it to China.
Tariffs. We got that outlet working. That's where the switches are and our outlet. So these are the ceiling lights. These are going to be the kitchen lights that are going to be going on the shelves above here. It works! This is the other side.
It's cold outside. We
Was
got
it-
the heater going.
Is it -9?
Yeah.
It's freezing.
Oh. Full recovery. It's cold so that the tops of the garbage bins have stuck together. I had to break it off to throw it at our McDonald's, so.
And we put some conduit here. So that's holding all of our electrical wires underneath. And this is gonna be our light switch for our outlet. We got Christmas decorations. Yeah, this is it. 4 boards on this. So we are just cutting some more holes. This is gonna be for the inverter, wherever it is.
It's ready.
Hole for that. So you can turn it on and off. We got all of the boards up on this side. Another outlet installed. And then we're also gonna put the Renogy battery monitor up here. We'll have to cut that. That should be 2 more holes to cut. What was that?
I don't know.
What was that about?
You're gonna go back.